Everything started with the idea of reusing my small CNC machine for purposes of drawing and writing on paper. I came up with the idea of building a writing machine, in particular with the capability to change writing tools like pen, pencil, or Sharpie in a variety of colors. So I was thinking of replacing a spindle clamp with something else to be able to keep and change tools. However, I want to have just the only tool to be active at the same time. Therefore, we need something which installs a tool and then retracts it back before switching to another tool. I was thinking of several solutions and then came up with a well-known mechanism used in a retractable pen. So I want to attach different types of tools and of different lengths. Each tool is packed into flexible wrapper specifically designed for that certain shape. The wrapper is installed into a capsule to be kept still. Tools can be of different lengths and degrees of use. Let's make a thread so we can screw and adjust the length. I then came up with this sketch. Here are a few components. Please find links to design models and ready printables in the description for this video. The disk is revolving and this component presses the button to toggle the tool. Both operations are driven by servo motors. So let's put all things together. Firmware is based on an open source project uCNC, and made a fork where support for servo driver PCA 9685 was added along with logic of controlling the revolving mechanism. You can find all links and details in the description. Well, the electronic part is built upon a prototyping board with lots of wiring, cutting and soldering. In terms of hardware, it's based on Raspberry Pico as a main microcontroller, 3 stepper drivers TMC2208 and PWM serial driver PCA9685. Let's connect servos to the microcontroller for calibrating values without any CNC logic at the moment. Now let's check the retractable mechanism. It seems the servo is mounted too loose, so it moves under force. I will need to redesign the mounting part. Oh, it seems I need to find a slightly different design in order to avoid two screws being located in such a close distance. I want to go to the hacking solution and simply merge two parts into one and remove screws. Okay, try it again. So let's build the wrappers for the remaining 4 tools. It's time to draw something. So this is the first problem. The tool is not rigid. The position is not accurate. It cannot resist movement. Here's the color change to purple. The second problem, too much ink on the paper. I'm fixing the first problem with the green adapter screwed on the pressing tip. It will keep the tool still. Well, the next problem is leveling. This I'm going to fix by adding flexibility to the settings for Z-axis. That is basically it for the first step in the direction of building a drawing machine. Definitely, there are a lot of things to improve and resolve. This is a very first long video on the channel. Feedback is so much welcome. Please leave a comment or press the like or dislike button. Do not miss further updates and other projects on my channel. Please stay tuned and subscribe. And do not forget to check the description. There you will find all the details and design materials. Thanks for watching. Take care and see you.